y'all, it's your girl Kiamani, and today I am back with another video. Now today the unit that I am reviewing is a 200% density 26-inch Jerry curl wig. Now I already cut the lace off camera and I plucked and pre-bleached her, but just get into this texture, cause wait. Beautiful. It's nice and full and thick, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit heavy also. Whoa, it's a little bit heavy too. Slap her on, because honestly, with a lot of hair like this, I love to put a ton of conditioner in it just so the curls stay defined. Now we're gonna do a middle part. There we go. And you wanna make sure you are styling this hair wet, because it's a lot of hair, so you're not gonna wanna pick with the curls too much unless you want really, 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 really big hair. And then take your elastic. I hate when it fucking does that. It really pisses me off. Every time it does that, I literally cringe. I hate when it does that so much. This is like literally not even a joke. This is like not even a joke. Once you've got her on, you do want to just make sure you got all the other hairs pushed back. Maybe you do that beforehand. I hate when I be having, like, when I take my little sting off, my elastic, and then I got so many like hair stuck to the side of my face. I hate that. So get that together first, sis, and let her sit. Look how freaking gorgeous the hair is though. Get into it. Ooh, it's so pretty and full. Wait till it dries up. It's gorgeous. Okay. Now, since we got that done, I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this. My hands. Put it right here. A little bit of gel, just to keep this down how I like it. I need. It's not even that I like, but I need for my wigs to be as flat as possible. Like, a must. Get into it! Okay, I'm sorry I got my camera all in the frame, but like, I need it. And now she's the choker. Okay. Oh, so she's looking pretty cool. Hairline looking good. That's what that elastic would do for you. I swear that elastic really, really does the job. We got the baby hairs, and now just putting this right back down because she's not fully dry. But we want to let it dry with the baby hairs, so the baby hairs will be set. You feel me? I'm gonna take some of this hairspray, spray her down. Right up in here, because I do want her to be flat. Because the sleek, flat looks with this texture hair, girl, be so fire. It'd be so cute. I actually got another style that I want to do for this wig, and I think it's gonna be so freaking cute. But not today. Now that we've got that out the way, I just wanted to show you where the hair hits me. So it comes to my waist when curled. Get into it. This, I feel like, is the perfect texture to do the baby hairs with, because they gonna act right, I promise. And this is where she hits me at the back. That's not my hair, sis. I'd actually be ready for a debate if you try to tell me this wasn't my hair. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on sis is gonna be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my video where I style her. I'm excited.